Hey guys, it's MJ, and a while ago I made a video saying, did I buy the wrong cryptocurrency? Because I purchased Litecoin, and while I was holding it, I saw Bitcoin was going through the roof, Ethereum was going through the roof, but Litecoin was just kind of staying at $3.80, the price I paid for it. And then this past month, it has jumped up almost 600%. I think it's almost trading at $24. So this is huge, and this is because for a variety of various reasons, technology upgrades, listing on various exchanges, blah 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 blah, all that type of stuff. But it comes to the question of how much is a Litecoin worth? What is its value? Should I be selling it? Should I be buying more? Should I be holding it? What is the value of one of these coins? And I think the honest answer is I don't know, and I don't think anybody knows. Bitcoin, according to a lot of people, has value because people think it has value. This is known as the Tinkerbell Effect. So because there's just demand for Bitcoin and because the supply is limited, therefore it has value. But it's very difficult to say, oh, these are the fundamentals and this is why, according to these economic factors, like we variously do with commodities or shares or bonds or other assets. So why did I buy Litecoin? The reason why I bought Litecoin is because I looked at something very simple. I saw Bitcoin had 21 million coins and Litecoin was going to have 84 million coins. So I thought there's going to be 4 times the amount of coins. Litecoin should be at, the Bitcoin price divided by 4. And at the time, I think Bitcoin was trading at like $1,000. So I thought Litecoin should be worth $250. So that was my logic. I did speak to a lot of guys who specialize in cryptocurrencies, and they were like, that's very irrational thinking. There's so many other factors at play. But that was kind of the reason why I went and bought Litecoin and not Bitcoin. I also think Bitcoin, a lot of its value is due to its branding. And I think when people start researching Bitcoin, they come across Litecoin. And so Litecoin's branding starts to also increase, and that branding gap does start to close. And we've seen that a little bit. I mean, when I was buying Litecoin, it was, I think, at 0.7% to Bitcoin. Now it's at 1.5% to Bitcoin. So it's doubled in its value to Bitcoin. But it's still, at only 1.5% to Bitcoin. And I'm thinking it should be at 25% of Bitcoin. So I still think there's a lot of room for my Litecoins to grow. So I'm definitely going to be holding on to them. But these things are incredibly volatile. Yesterday Litecoin jumped up 37%, which is... it's scary stuff. It is scary stuff. Especially when you look at, say, the stock market and shares. If a share drops 3% in a day, that's considered like, wow, that's crazy. So definitely a very, very volatile asset. And I wouldn't recommend anybody purchasing it if they have a very conservative approach, or if they have lots of liabilities that they need to cover. But if you're going in for the speculative purchase, these things are very much, they are very, very attractive. But I don't want to give any investment advice because, like I said, someone could hack the blockchain and these coins can become worthless overnight. I think there is a small, tiny possibility of that happening. So be very, very cautious when you invest in these coins. But yeah, I think Bitcoin either needs to come down a little bit or Litecoin needs to go up. I think I'm sticking to my guns of having Litecoin a quarter of the value of Bitcoin. And on that note, I am going to be holding Litecoin. And let me know if you guys are holding any other cryptocurrencies in the comment section below. And I'll probably be making a lot more videos after my exam is done. So I'll see you guys then. Cheers.